This is part 5 in the series. I haven't even at this point posted part 3 yet, which I don't even know what saw it is down here anymore. Who knows? This is the carburetor out of this one, and I mentioned in one of the videos you got to remove this. So we'll just put that in the extras pile, and should be able to just drop this one in. We'll see. That's the throttle linkage that I kept calling a wire. Just needs to be cut off right here. I just removed this screw here on the old one and this screw on the new one to change these arms over. That brass piece on there spins, and I thought, well, maybe it'll hinder the way that it operates the throttle. But the post that this slips over is different, so I can't do that. I think it'll be okay. I'm not exactly sure just yet, but I think somebody has the hoses backwards for the primer bulb. I'd have to put fuel on it yet to see, but it almost looks like it's squirting gas back into the tank when it should be squirting it into the carburetor. So I'm going to pour some gas in her right now, and let's see what happens with that. Alright, chainsaw number 5, I believe, is done. And I need to prop you up over here. Because some people don't know what it's like to have a chainsaw running and you just gotta hear it, don't you know? Where is it? Right there. Guess I need to put her up for sale. Well, that concludes the Michigan Chainsaw Massacre series. Now what do I do? Well, there's that project over there. That was there. And now it's not.